Please open in English, page number 241. Please open in English, page number 241. Top paragraph 175. Ananda. Everyone can see. At one time, Igamida Han. At one time, the Karama soon after attain enlightenment. Malay. Nabi Raja Yabi Machami me within the bracket, very good. In the 8th week after enlightenment, perhaps you beat it now when about Shipa Acha. I was staying at the foot of a goat horse vine tree. Goat horse vine tree, Say Jong Yong Bank. Near the bank of the Nerejara River. Nerejara means Say Jong Yong Bank. Azza Pala Nijodi Patavabi Nambudo. In the Uruwela forest, there are wood ye, forest ye Bugong. Also, they don't need to be Balolopia. Uruwela forest come here. Rather than see a little cat, they slow you chore. Uruwela woods, also, they don't need here. Wood, they don't lay out. They were forest. While I was there, at the Uruwela door, they did not make a say John of the Alma, they don't know. Even Mara, young Mara Mana, approached me. Now, I will check it. Stand at a certain place, said to me thus, Nabyago Delupure. Whenever, sir, let the Bhagavan realize the Pranivana now by passing away. Kuba Niva Gumema View Pranivana Sani Baro Paya Kuma Bioraba Mobe Kudu Paniraga with Ali Mamola Paya Biora. Ma Paya Pipi Benapade Managa Dala Shop Shipa. So you made a Konabago you Bemanila. It is a time now for the Bhagavan to pass away. Yes, I'll be a brainy Masamura, a chamber. And I replied thus, even Mara. Era Manago, I'll be a bullet. Don't say without gone, Digon. No, to you, whatever. Pia Bibiru Shipa Bechadi, pretty much Ambula Biori. 623 years more. Okay. 623 years before the Jesus. Full moon day of a Visakha. In the Uruwela forest, near Gaya. At the foot of banyan tree, Buddha sit in deep meditation. From the early morning, the whole day. In the first watch of the night, Buddha defeated the Mara. In the second watch of the night, Buddha attained the divine eye. Violet divine end. In the last way of the Buddha attained supreme enlightenment. That's why now so by became the Buddha. After that, after attainment of a fully enlightenment, Buddha was dwelling for 1 week under the Bodhi tree. So we can see Buddha dwelt first week, Bemanile, at the foot of a Bodhi tree. And second week, Buddha moved to the Shiva, northwest corner of a Bodhi tree, on the small hill. Now only one. Buddha was standing on this top of the hill, gazing at the Bodhi tree. He spent for 1 week. This is the second week. It's right? Hola. And that week, Buddha descended down Sela from the hill and to the north of a Bodhi tree. Walking east and west, up and down for 1 week. He spent that week and Chankamana near the Bodhi tree. And 4th week after enlightenment, Bodhi Nyaya Bira Lipa Myak, 4th week, Buddha dwell near Bebanil. Lipa Bebanil. Jewelry house. At jewelry house, Yaranagram near, created by the Deva in Brahma, no? Contemplating the Abhidhamma for 7 days. This is 4th week. And 5th week, after his enlightenment, Buddha moved to another place, to the east of the Bodhi tree. And he spent at the foot of Ajabala, no? Gokibasa tree. This is a 5th week. He spent the 5th week at the Ajabala tree, foot of Ajabala tree. And then 6th week, after enlightenment of the 6th week of after enlightenment, moved to the little far south. Now by Manandali way, Bala. Muchalinda Lake. Muchalinda Lake. Muchalinda Aima. Buddha spent 1 week absorbing and plasma body. This is the 7th week. The 6th basically. And the 7th, the week of the 7th, Kondakumya Yadarabama, moved back from the Moslina lake, Moslina Egani Piana Viro, Bema. Raja Yadana tree, At the foot of Rajayarana tree, Buddha spent about 1 week. At the end of 49 days, end of 7 weeks, at the foot of a Bodhi tree, Rajayarana tree, Buddha took the shower, he chewed in the Nirinjara river, Nirinjara Mima, he chewed, and then came back from Nirinjara to the Rajayarana tree. And Buddha waiting for food, waiting for food, donor, 2 merchants, the Posa and Baliga, traveling from Myanmar through Uruwela Dora, reached the Bodhi tree, meet the Buddha, offer the food. Buddha took the food. But within the 7 weeks or 49 days, Buddha doesn't eat any kind of a food. But he maintained his lifespan by life-sustaining plasma. That kind of take that at the Baba when Zabi do need it. Little good. Yet that Konapa, everyone understand, no? Brahma Bemanila, what do we say? Maduriya Bemanila, Animida, Dadiaba, Sengama, Sudhaba. Yeranagara, Bensamaba, Jabala, Sarababa, Mosaida, Nadamaba, 7 weeks. Very special text, this one. In the 8th week, after spending the 7 weeks around the Bodhi tree, Buddha returned to Ajabala again. Therefore, Buddha spent 2 weeks, 2 times at the foot of Ajabala tree. What am I? Jabala Jamayama Baya, Nachi Nido. Naba Miao de Jay, Shipa Miao de Jay Nido. Di Boduengo, Chine Bulu, Baroka. Tamesaria, they piano. Chiara the Kara. Okay. Nara de Shabi the Sus, Rita. Gone. Let's see, Mrs. 2,600 years ago, around the Bodhi tree in Uruwela forest on the bank of River Nirinjara, how many goalkeeper, how many goalkeeper, no? Gopala, Achapala, are so many. They were staying under the so many banyan tree. Hold on. Banyan tree, they got a debate about Yaibo. Digani Piata, St. John is Motain Leah, Maholo. Dinea Maholo. What do you mean? A company, a Ganyan team, Manji. Zini, fair beer, Moribini, Chichi, Sisi Gaga Nele. Buddha Dego in Aranga Boribe. Why, you know? Divega St. John, Ovega Boribe, did not make a tea in Mola. Can need near Lama, near Mamma Holabu, Martina. Say that I see it in the Ara Chapter, you love me, Dimasai Tarab. Say that you are. There are two great events under the goalkeeper banyan tree. Goalkeeper banyan tree. Say down great event. Nakushi. Number one, Sahampati came down the Brahma and requested to the Buddha to teach the Dhamma. Sahampati daya down the Brahma. Eddie, say down your body made a candy Ramapina. How we my wish. Sit Jonga. Do Jonga, Noa Jonga, so many sheep keeper, cook keeper, cow keeper, bull keeper, staying under this banyan tree. Buddha stayed for 1 week within. Nobody knows this is a Buddha. Bega Buddha Mandi. Chapadiri the chat of Biboya, Digomi, say Chongari. Puli the salad of Mobile. Now they donated any kind of food. Buddha spent for 1 week together with them. And 5th week, now, after 7 weeks, come again. Up to the say John man. But I spent for 1 week. And then I Buddha got Sira. And the Buddha ayan loco. The whole is totally blind. Very difficult to teach the truth. They saw the they jump. They kept. What do we ever go? Homo. Say John, we ever go. Say Jonga. Do Jonga. No Jonga. Hola. This are the other. Kixi Name Digitan. I gain with the so difficulty and so tired. Keke baby Bama. Maatulu Yala, the truth and peace. This Sadiana Ninja so difficult to teach them. Take out it, they will kept. Not easy when it over. So Sahampati came down. He requested. Don't like Sahampati, don't want to Zakari. You know? No. I made up. Also, I call the leg of Baloga. Yet that ship of Miakalabalo, Dina, my will and needed. Dina, she needed, did doy, they got the Megabaga, did say Jondan, do Jondan, no Jondaria. Payao, Mathia. Era Dambadi. They are Madongan La. Don't be my La. Era La. Shalom Yadu. But for the request of the Sahampati, or after the requesting of the Sahampati, the Mara evil one came down. No? Amri Dayamadange La, don't be my La Badibu. Mara Payasi Yawa. here so the benefit. At the foot of Patria, a Jabala tree, under the Jabala tree, Mara requested, "Oh Lord Buddha, you shall go to the Pranivana. Now you shall pass away." Understand? Go by Pranivana Sarabara, Yadara Shibaya. Every day I Biola Mana. Hola. Era Libola, what did you consider? Yakuza. Page 241, no? Paragraph Yakuza. Another at the time, and the one day, soon after I attained enlightenment, in the 8th week after enlightenment, I was staying at the foot of a Godha Sabayan tree, near the bank of the Nirindra river, in the Uruvela forest. While I was there, evil one approached me, standing at the Sadibli, said thus, "Anyway, son, let the Bhagavan realize the Pranivana now by passing away. Let the Sukada realize the Pranivana. It is the time now for the Bhagavan to pass away and realize the Pranivana." Bhaya Bhivilo Yendada Shipa Nega Bhayago Pranivana Sambo Managa Shaw. Eno Bhaya Bhabyan Bhyola. You evil one, Mitra Yomareko, and do not pass away now. I have many things to do. First of all, I must organize Nasiwa Babrida Pala Lanchi like do you Shili has one of Pada Wuhari Babrida Bhikkhu Prida. I have to Nebyomen. Need to Nebyomen. Have to Suraga Ekangulo. Need to Suraga Luchen. Organize. CEO Jene, Bazione. Bhikkhu organization. I would like to establish very well Ngati Thaume Bhikkhu organization. I will train them, I will teach them very well to understand thoroughly and detail my Tipitaka. I will train them, I will teach them very well to attain the enlightenment. Dave Sariya Shipyan. What do we do? Dave Mula. Bhikkhu Prita B. Babrita Siyam. Now paragraph. Jalini Analine Ludayo Wepo. I have to organize Bhikkhuni organization. I have to organize Upasaka organization. I have to organize Upasika organization. 4 organizations. I have to organize, I have to train, I have to teach. As long as I do not have yet organized these 4 organizations. Organization is legal by Ngadi Kongonyi Masiu and the Kalabalo. Not very well teach, not very well train. They judging, legend, and the Kongonyi Malone and the Kalabalo. And never go to the Nirvana. Davemona. That's a baby boy, the baby Bido. Bema Biola. Guy. Era minu research sura dawe mo. Hey, research sura dawe. Do look. Era solution. Era solution in English, page 226 ကိုဖွင့်လိုက်တော့ချိန်ကြောင်းကြောင့်မှာလည်းကပြိဋိဘံစံခိုင်းတယ်။ညာပြိဋ္ဌ၄ပါးဟုတ်လားအစီယုံကြီး၄ခုတီထောင်ပြီးမှငါပြိဋိဘံစံမယ်မရက်မနာ40ခန်းနဲ့သွားလာတီထောင်Samela Neya Nasecha, paragraph D66. Then Bhagavan, rearranged in his robe, in the morning time, took Ambu, took double road, went into Visali on his arm with Ali Zozotra, Songantra. After this Anram, after his meal, leaving the place of the eating, Songambi, Sonsabi, Sonsasiyaga, Sonsajanga, Trapiro. Bhagavan said to the Bendive Ananda, bring a leather rug. Let us go to the Sapala Shrine and Buddha spend the day, whole day there. Benave Ananda respectfully ascended, taken leather rod, follow closely behind the Buddha. Then the Bhagavan approached the Sapala shrine, Sapala Nagam Upayatwandi, seated himself on the seat placed for him. The Bendive Ananda make obeisance to the Bhagavan, seated himself at a suitable place. To the Bendive Ananda, who was seated on one side. The Chanaya Matani Raji Ananda Bhagavan said thus, Ananda, pleasant is a country of Visali, Ramaniyang Vada Ananda Visali, Vidali Murojali, Saida, Jidu Vekonda. Pleasant are the shrine of the Udina, Godamaka, Satam, Bhupota, Sarandada Sapala, Nakunjiri Tajiru Wegonda Ananda who's ever the Karibede Practice the use a means of the beads humbly, maintain the master, but furtherly develop the four bases of psychic power. Ediba liba, Pwamia legend hamjide, Balumaso. If he so desire to Lulame solution, he lived. I'm a king, he can live to Tefamakom. He can live to Nina. Maximum lifespan, and that time a means of a tea, and then they are what they are tea. Even beyond. Mais long way down maximum lifespan that time long way down ma do ni nahi de era obada ajay namai pure no Buddha spoke sign and intimation Ananda ajay pure plain intimation and hint. I see the way to look pure. Many ways may the Bhagavan live maximum lifespan. And then I be on the may the Sugata live maximum lifespan for the welfare of the happiness of the mankind. Oh, Ludari, Josiva Piching, Juma, Mesopia, Nelipana. Out of compassion for the war, Gabajibu, another option, Nelepa, fear. For the benefit of Jew, well being, counsel of people, and happiness. Chandabu of Deva and men. None Ludo Chandabu, none Ludo Gonju people, none Ludo Josiva people, Nilesama. Yeah. It was in his mind was possessed by Mara Babil. Another shock. It was by Babil. Possessed. Anandaya Seigo, Ananda Mapain. Anandaya Seigo, Buddha Paina. Managa Painhari, Mabione. Payaga Edi Oba, the enemy Bione, for the second time Bione, for the third time Bione. Balupadia Male, Joshua. Maharasa request. Sianana Bama Mashodo, Sianana Ubiaga, Nintu let him go. You do like me. Era Mara winner. Benevesa, and one time Bhagwan had indeed said, these were. Yes, sir, we had the Harova, Biobureli, Nabaya Dadana Roma. Hey, go bring that liver, baby. Babione, Chonya Elu Chunchunda. Beku, Breda, Baba, family. Beku, Breda, Baba, Pahu, Breda, liver, Nasio, trailer, then jam, butcher. Any loaded, Mabi didn't have a balo, Nabama Bibula. Brady, Masambu. May la miro, John Jaja, Lomini, Nindola. era manaji toaya bene Vietnamမြေလုံးချင်းအကြောင်းမနေ့ကဖတ်ပြီးလှမ်းထဘိပါရဏလှမ်းကြောUmokha Shepa George Page 243 Paragraph 196 Page 243 Paragraph 196 178 Nene libe Ananda Ibn Mara just now this day came to me at Sabalassarai Digani Mane Sabala Nakuma do Nirama Manaji Gasi Larepa again said to me, I would have you the Benevesa let the Bagwari lie. That's a Baba Brudo, Prenny Basana Mubalu, Yodide. So we repeat the Wasi Akung Chocha. Aga paragraph 177 of Lanji. You evil one, Payapyambyo. Do not be anxious. Do not be anxious. Mese Pumamanine. Before long, the Prinibbana of the Tathagata will take place. Before long, Pale. Page 243, paragraph 177. Pabior. Before long. Nasiri ni wale kwa bala macamye mima soon will take place Payam Brani Basana Philip 3 months from today Dinega Sahibi Tola Tathagata will realize the Brani Ban Payam Brani Ban Salime Lo Bayaga reply Manago Piambio Erago Bayaga Anandago Piambio Pia Ananda now Tathagata why at the Sabala Shrine today he decided Ananda ye gu ngabya Sabala Nagoma has decided something like be mindfully deliberately the deep ne singing sense you subject to give up life sustaining made the process at that kind of thing that the blood of my babu so like be 3 months from now the nigga say don't lie who bet the lunale the nigga say don't lie who bet at that shibu ya bablo double when zaro guy era bido and be chocha chia Tidak demikian lalai. Page 244. Paragraph 178. Page 244. Paragraph 178. Gone. When Bhagavan said this, yes, Abhyada pure. Whenever Ananda, pa Eddie Bali and Eddie English, appease a down surah. Ananda appease do the Bhagavad Dasa. Dijamala down surah. Paya Balok Bibi. So much a champ Bibi. Don't let the Bo Bido who be brother Bago. Moizaro Bulu, so much a chap bibi. Erago, Manago, Babella, Piolabi, Chinya bibi, Erido Masiana, Apila. Very late, Siana Babida. Now Chadavi, so the Balu Bishop. Managa, Lusegu, no shatter. Yori. Sa elupa, Dr. Sundra, elupa, she did a show for you would think of. Era summary menu yera bibo. Summary of the Pranivana story so menu yeru yai. Where's I here? Paya bibi shibbaga sariya. Shana na dama na chile do paya babyo le chile do. For the welfare, for the happiness of the mankind of Deva Baba, Luru Nado ya Josiwa atwe Chanda ye atwe. Out of a compassion for the world, Gavalaga Jigu, another option for the benefit of people, for the well being, countless Siva people, for the happiness of the Deva, Nadu Chanda Bodu, and me, Luru Chanda Bodu. Me, Damanazara, me Kriya Bevasha. Me Bhagwan lit. Nyasabya Niramu Apaya. Me the Bhagwan lit. Twina Igale. Nyasabya the Niramu Apaya. The maximum lifespan. And then a means of tea near a Muavia, Teya. May the Sukada live back in my lifespan. Then they appear of Niramuva and Bhagavan answer. Paya Ananda Piampiora, Rita. Enough Ananda, a lamb Ananda. Anab Ananda, Lam Ananda, Hey Ananda, Doriwa, Maybe only Dava. do not implode. When down Bamini, the Dadagada now only object. Yes, I have make Hula Bido, Town Bamini. And that, Toby, Toro. The time is past. But say no more we for in 3D down bamboo a chain long we very easy to understand. For a second time, for a that time, Nache, Donji, Damane, Davebo, very another, repeated. Hence, in 3D, do you Damane go Tavi, Nache, Donji, Pion, very sharp. For the welfare of happiness of the mankind, out of compassion for the world. For the benefit of the well-being and happiness of the Deva and men, may Bhagavan live maximum lifespan. The Yapi only Babya. May the Sukata live maximum lifespan. The Yapi only Babya. Look, Nachimya, Dojimya, Dhamma. Ananda, hey Ananda, do you have faith? Nara, do you believe? May you have in the enlightenment of the wisdom of the Buddha. Myasa Byaya, Dabiyura Jano, may you have. Yes. By counting. Yes, I do. The location counting. Yes, can you? Yes, I do. The real Yoni. Then, Yona showing in spite of your belief, may Yona really purely did it. Why do you harass? Menga go Babilu Nizanira. Harass by insisting changing Maymian champion, by insisting up to 3 times. Don't change Maymian champion, Menga, Palu Jinsanira. Dabijara Jano Yari Piano Yoji and Palu meaning. Biobi Mapia, Zagabian Mala, do Domano. Dabijara Yara Digani now, Lola Jaga, baby, Walu Biobi. Kaka and I shall extension into not a chola. The Lulumla, Dabinu, Miro Marozo, and Domo Luchania. Dalia. Vanessa, I have a heart. This word of the Bhagavan. Prana Bhagavan himself, Yadanga Nizagari Jabule. I have listened to the less than 3 words from the Bhagavan himself. Dobi Ariani Betoshan. Najuita Riga Shafa. Oga Sabaji Cho, Babilo Jole Villa, Sandara Edibana, Bavida bullying at that time. No? I believe in Benevesa. Ananda, though the Dadagara thus keep playing Malay 245 Machila, 245 Teso Paragragujila. Keep playing in the The last shilling a shame the purely that you were unable to grasp their significant. This is unable to grasp me now. You did not be seized in such a way. That's what the God for the welfare of the happiness. Therefore, also, Ananda, this failure to entreat me to continue to live is your own fault, your own remissness. Ananda, this failure to entreat me. Now go back to continue to live. And this is it is your own fault. That may be go by a bit. It is your own missing it. Era me Mari. Don't see you what Dugatan, don't see you what Paradan, Balido. Don't see you what Paradan, don't see you what Dugatan. Dugatan remissing it, Paradan, fault. That may be a may marvel, Siana Duka, there's a bit dead. Folga, Dugatan, missing it, remissing it, Parada. Ananda, if you had entreated me thus at the time, Eddie Nayelimi Biorunga, at that time, no? Eddie Sabalasi Nayelimi Biorunga, if you had entreated the Mimian. Now, maybe I saw them solution. The Dadagada Naviahali might have refused. Now, Barele entreaty twice. But not chain on a ying of Jelly. Might have refused. Entreaty twice. The main point is we don't know. Men the source is down on a yelly. Nachi down on a Yema Pola. Entreaty down on the third day. Sorry. Might have. I might have acceded, or received. I might have acceded. Now let him go, let him my golly. To entry, down Malushi, managing you. Don't you know, down Malushi, no, I let him go, let him. The Osa was Yana Lello. Now, you never Biora, a chain, such out chain Biora. Okay, a such out chain shop. Such out chain Biora. May have a dog. Now, I use the Garago, look baby so my mail lato. And a may mamma, maybe. Doshi done, doshi done, brother. Gave the man out. I don't think I'm looking at Domani. The J. Yemen. The J. Yemen. Don't you know let down my head receipt let can go let can let don't you know my let can me go Ananda, this failure to entreat me is your own fault, is your own remissness. Now go to the Dhamma moment, failure of the entreat, may be is your fault. That may go by a bit, your own remissness. May Amabe Okay, our nama dream 179 Ananda Advanta and was a dwelling on Bemani dwelling on Bemani Kejiguda he in Rajagaha Yadigoga Gego Domanga Nini Runga Why they are two Edidunga Lebe Ananda I had spoken these one to you. These agari will make up your Burale. I ain't made look at it, people. Yada you better one a brother. Can you go, my brother? Now, by my brother, let Georgia. Nelly Chow. Another anyone that I do it. And the food of it, Godama. People Godama, ni Jordama, ni Runga Lebeda, Yoga Bibi, Vol, Tega, Gizagoma, Nega, Godama, ni Jordama. Oh, my good channel. With Ali, my pure the Lubjona Vega, and then Nelly Bianchina, Guna Bali. Take Congo Bianchina. With Ali, my pure the Lubjona, no? Dali, who are drinking me. Don't jump with Pala. Don't jump your Pala. Pleasant Ananda is Rajagaha. Pleasant Ananda is Gijguta. Hey. Ramriyan Ananda Vedali. Ramriyan Ananda Tadamba Siddhi Suramyoge. No? Durube Wachar. Yadriyo Gijgu Damita Laitagwa. Ananda, whosoever has a cultivated the practice that use as a means of the big himself on a maintain the master banya, Daria Tato. Ananda do Dadagara, thus give play hand in the beach, Tato. if you had entreated me at that time, Tathagata might have refused the entreaty the twice, but might have acceded to the end of the prayer. Any young human, Yoruba, not changing on Yimabo, don't change the Yoya, I like him. That don't maybe don't want to wow. Now I need it, Gorman, Nijora, Malay, and the editor Malay, Yinimate Yoga Bude. Now Bemanile. I do it. Ko Sora Papata. Menua Korapata Pana. Sora Papata clip. Baluda. Down Chauji, the Kori don't chop. Erinia Malangabio. Now Bemabio there. Sata Pani Guha Malabio there. Side of the Vivara Mountain. Vivara down big at that Bani Lengu Malangabio. Now Bemabio there. Kala Sila. Chau Pia May Malangabio. Now Bemabio there. Tapa Dondika Mountain. Tapa Dondika Mountain Malangadabio. Now Bemabio there. The Boda Group Monastery. The Boda Rama Jaude Malapio. Now Bemabio there. Willow Uye Malataka Pio there. Now Bemabio there. At the mango grove of the Jivaga is there, we Malataka Pio. Now Bema Pio there. At Migadaya wood of the Mada Kochi. Maybe I one by go, maybe the Kalip Migadaya Uye Malebeta Capio. Era Yazu Baji Bodara Sega. Nedi. Hello, Biora, Payaga, Babia Biole. Hey, and Mara Nadi, Beku Preta, Bekuni Preta, Taka Preta, Takama Preta, Preta Lima, go on, you see on your balloon and either Calabalo. Da Pian Biora. Any shit that we had to go here, South Jeep, you know. Era Yaduma Name Ovaga Benejipio Seje with Alima Benejipio Malegua, Makele, Nasini Konakuma, Konajipio Boha. Eh? Nasini Konakuma. I'm sorry, Konakumo. Nasini Chakuma Benejipio. Chauchingo Ramriya Ananda Sabala Sidiyan Ramriya Ananda Udina Sidiyan Godamaga Sidiyan Tatama Sidiyan Bahu Buddha Sidiyan Era Sology over the Yinimi Benacabio Suzubon Set Chauchingo and a summary of a Prindimana discourse, a change of Yina on Yi. Take on it. They not let they go now. Not let them go. Then Myanmar Pali ko pian phat chin Myanmar Pali ko samena 99 phut la Revila Engamida Ananda Tamaya Idewa Widali yang Wirami Bale Godamake Sidi underline Idewa Widali yang Wirami Now John That Dambe Sidi underline Now Widali yang Wirami Bahu Bodhi Sidi Duira Taranda di Sidi Sapali Sidi Ramniya Ananda Vidali Ramniya Udina Sidiya Eri Ma Myasa Bhuya Eri Lu Pyo Dora Ero Chou Lai Do Ba Ya Vidali Ma Now Ma Pyo Da No Nat Sin Ji 6 ခုသတင်းသုံးပြီးတော့6ကအရေးဩဘာနမိတ်ဩဘာပြောYadjo ma sene yama sega pyo suzubo sechau che aye ne mai pya de Siananda taw man ye la ma taw ma bu ai do bya Siananda ko piet de ne Taw she yewa dukdan taw she yewa apradan piet de ne Aga sabagri phat pi yin do bi Eri Bama lo Pali ma be Aga 183 paragraph ko phat Kepa Pali alu de biai ne de ji de pha Danu Ida Ananda Maya Padike Sewa Ekhada Babehi Wapiye Manabehi Nana Bhawa Vina Bhawa Inyaka Bhawa Dan Buddha Ananda Lava Yandan Zadan Buddhan Tegadan Balokadama Tawadama Balosidi Nidan Dhana Wisadi Yankho Panaidan Ananda Dadagadina Sattang Wandang Bodang Bahina Badini Dekan Odado Ayudengaro Ekadina Wasabhadina Nasiran Dadagadata Prinivana Mawedadi Ida Dena Madana Isina Dadagada Prinibayedidi Desa Dadagada Sivida Hedu Puna Bisa Wabedidi Nedantana Wisadi Ayamananda Yena Mahavana Buddha Garadala Denupa Dekamita Mahadi Yada Era Dhamma No Tawega Daya Hobu Sache Shere Gomi No Poni Biani Bari Nyari Tansa Kakere Nayari Nga Hobi Bili Nanu Ida Ananda Maya Padike Sewa Ekhada Ananda Nga Sosoga Pyobibi Mohula Tabehi Wapiyehi Manabehi Chiduri Alone Saint Long Swim Pyong on Lobe de Ludi Alone Nana Bawo They say no level Querabe Wina Bawo They don't level Quedorabe Inyara Bawo They have the Bawazi Pie Birole Quedarabe Rocko No Tabehi Wabiye Manabehi Nana Bawo Shingwe Wina Bawoa, the Gwe Inyera Bawoa, Bawa Maduro, Ludiava Nabi, Ludiava Quipi Ta Kudita Lava, Era Belu Yana Qua Yandan Sada Bhutan Sadan Bhutan Thinkadan Sadan ဖြစ်လာတဲ့တရားဘူတန်ထင်ရှားဖြစ်နေတဲ့တရားသင်္ကတအကြောင်းတရားတွေပေါင်းစုထားတဲ့တရားပလောကဓမ္မပျက်စီးခြင်းသဘောရှိတန်အဲ့ဒီသင်္ကတတရားတို့ရဲ့ပျက်စီးခြင်းသဘောကိုမပလုစီတီမပျက်စီးပါစေနဲ့လို့တောင်းတမယ်ဆိုရင်နေတန်းဌာနံဝိဇ္ဇတိဘယ်မှာဖြစ်နိုင်မှာလဲတံကုဋ္ဌိလဘဒါဘယ်လိုလုပ်ရနိုင်မှာလဲယံခောပရိတံအာနန္ဒအဲ့ဒါလေးပဲနေတန်းဌာနဝိဇ္ဇတိအထိပဲအဲ့ဒါကြက်တာတရားဟောမဲ့ကောင်းတယ်တောက်အိမ်ဟုတ်လားဘုရားရှင်အနန္ဒကိုပြောတာဘယ်မှာပြောတာဝေသာလီမှာပြောတာနန္ဒဝိဒါအနန္ဒမယပေတိကိစေဝဧကတသဗ္ဗေဝပိယေဟိမနဘေနနဘဝိဒဘညတဘောတံကုတိတအနန္ဒလပယနာဇနဘုဒ္ဓသင်္ကတဘလောကဓမ္မတံဝတ္တမပလုစီတိနေတံဌာနဝိဇ္ဇတိယံခောပရိတံအာနန္ဒတတဂရေနာသတ္တံအဲ့ဒီဥစ္စာခဏထားအောင်အဲ့ဒါရဲ့အင်္ဂလိပ်ဘာသာပြန်လှမ်းကြည့်အောင်ဆိုတော့ခုနကဘယ်နာကြည့်မလဲဟမ်ဟုတ်ပြီpage 248 paragraph 183 ကိုကြည့်အင်္ဂလိပ် page 248 paragraph 183 ကိုကြည့်Ananda I have not from former time proclaimedရှင်းတော့ငါလည်းငါပြောခဲ့ပြီးပြီမဟုတ်လားနော်လေနော် there must be separation ခွဲခွာရခြင်းဆိုတာဖြစ်လက်သက်ဝင်လေးနဲ့ပါတယ်အသက်ရှင်တော့ခွဲ severing through death သေလို့ခွဲခြင်း sundering through being in different state of existence ဘဝချလို့ခွဲရခြင်းအဲ့ဒါကငါဆုံးကြီးကပြောထားပြီးပြီမဟုတ်လို့ from all that are dearဟုတ်ပြီ dear and beloved ပိယမနာပါ dear and beloved အားလုံးသောချစ်ခင်ပွဲမျက်နှိုးပွဲကောင်းတဲ့အရာဝတ္ထုများနဲ့ခွဲရမယ်ဆိုတာဒီခွဲမယ်ရှင်ခွဲမယ်ဘဝချားပြီးခွဲရမယ်ဆိုတာကိုငါပြောခဲ့ပြီးပြီပဲမဟုတ်လားအာနန္ဒ in this matter ဒီနေရာမှာဒီကိစ္စ how can the wish ဘယ်လိုဆူတောင်းလို့ဘယ်လိုတောင်းဆိုလို့ဖြစ်မှာလဲ and be realized in all lesson anything which is a nature of arising ဖြစ်ခြင်းသဘောရှိတဲ့ဘယ်အရာဝတ္ထုမဆို anything which is of appearance ဟုတ်လား arising ကဘယ်ပါဠိဇာတ appearance ကဘုဒ္ဓ which is of the being compounded ဘာလဲသင်္ကတ Negada go compound your count soup ponta. Pitching the boshi or tension in the boshi though. Soup ponta the boshi that you and the yan to eat. Be in decay and dissolution. Through swim again. Yes, in the boshi the Didiandi go should not. Disintegrate. Magwagwa bazi nelo shall not disappear. Pyopia madavazi nelo. How can wish Belu Taudalo Pianai Male now Biasa? There can be no such possibility. Pianai Chini Daloma Shibu Era Palidoli. Don't y'all love me, these are by them, tell the little fat time. Wow, Ludere Aduba English, Palido, Bomalo, Holo Yaibo, no, Robolino Yaro. Palido Biampa, Kaune Palido Babali Nanu Eda Ananda Maya Badiki Siwa Ekadan Yana Kuku. Nanueda Ananda Maya Badiki Siwa Ekadam Babi Wabi Manabi Nana Bawa Wina Bawa Inyata Bawa Nana Bawa Abad Shenkwe Wina Bawa Inyata Bawa Wachari Kwera and Daji Onota Pui Kabyamia no Aduba Sondo Yezesha Madahora Injana Baba, Nana Baba, Vina Baba. Don't look, not to look, show you the Fuji in Yard. When you can buy a lot of. Don't know who you're in Yard. Don't it? Dan Kutita Lama. Dan Pima said, don't solo Pim Langua. Yandan Zadan, Budan, Thigadan, Blogadama. Satan Chido dea, Buddhan Shido dea, Degada Bonsu Dare dearigo, Baloga Dama, Jazira de Suramuro Dita, Dawada Mablozi di Dantana Wizard, Era de Babias in the Donsu, Pepsine Male. That they are holiday. Erangabia can I let them up before. Piramaga Biadi Satan, some baby, do it. One time, until like baby, mouth down, slow like baby, bahina, pay like baby. But they did that down, son of baby, all that was son of baby, I think are raw. Egadina was not the corner beyond. Nasi Rada Dakada Brain Bana Podri, Dina Madanazi, Nadaka Brain of the Tilo. Ekandina was not the corner beyond. Made down on the matter, Billing and Bombing. Maybe in a Dama, Lord Darby, I set out Jane or Yenny Bjorn. Maybe don't shave it under it. Now maybe don't shave it up by Mema. I am Ananda Yeda Mavana Gudagara, Dinuba the Gamadama. Hey Ananda Mahawong Doga, Kudagara, Dalago, Wajaya. Oh. Kudagara Tala Wajaya Om and everybody shall family row. Kudagara Tala Wajaya with a little valley, she the Matangari Kongo, Bemasu kind. Eh? Kudagara Tala Masulai Bema Piodolu Piora. And I knew the Capiobi. Asazo. Yazo Gazago Doji Mali, Wada Gara, Piandoro, Ananda, Yazu the Balachi Tangari Kongo, Sula, Erim Abri Hadia Hall. Buleva with Ali Mashidi Tangari Kongo, Babile, Bemasu, Kuta gara dalam sulai jadi kau mau no hamaरा किसी को दीवारे कुटा gara dalam sulai takho bhagawa yena upadana dana dinupatengame upatengame ramyari adre nidiri nidisako bhagawa bhagwa mandeti pyavi bhaya amazaka vedalika thottam Thakani ma pure. Dadamadiya Bhagave Yede Dhamma Binyada Meno wa nga hoda deတရားတွေတော်တော်သိကြတယ်ပေါ့တင်ဝေါသာဓုကဥက္ကေတော်အဲ့ဒီတရားတွေကိုမင်းတို့ကောင်းကောင်းကြီးသင်ကြအာသေဝိတ္တဘာပွားမိဝဲထားကြဘဝိတ္တဘာပွားများထားကြဘဟုလီကာတ္တဘာအချိန်ချင်းဖန်ဖန်ကျင့်သုံးထားကြတယိတံမြမစရိယံအရဏီယံအတ္တစိရထိတိအဲဒီငါဟောထားတဲ့တရားတွေကိုအချိန်ချင်းဖန်ဖန်ပွားများခြင်းကျင့်သုံးခြင်းဟာအဒဏိယံကြံမြင့်သောကာလပတ်လုံးမြမစရိယံသာသနာတော်သည်စိရထိတိကံကြံမြင့်စွာတည်ဖို့အတ္တများများပွားထားသာသနာကြာကြာတည်လိမ့်မယ်တဒတ္တဘုဇနာဟိတယအဲ့ဒါလောကအတွက်လည်းပဲကျိုးများလိမ့်မယ်ပေါ့ကွာအဲ့ဒီပွားများဟောထားတာတွေကဘာတွေလဲဆိုတော့တဒတ္တဘုဇနာဟိတဆိုတော့အာနာဒီဆိုတော့တရားထိဏတွေ့လားတရားထိဏတွေ့လားအောက်နားမှာနော်ငါးကြောင့်အထင်နားမှာငါဟောထားတာတွေကစတ္တရောတတိပဋ္ဌာနာဖတ်စတ္တရောသမပဋ္ဌာနာစတ္တရောဣရိပါဒပိစိတရိယာနိပိစပလာနိတတ္တပုဇေမာအရိယောထေဝီကောမေကောဘာလဲလားဘောဓိပက္ခိယတရား39ပါးမဟုတ်လားအဲ့ဒါကဟောပြီးပြီမင်းတို့လေ့ကျင့်ကြဝါများကြအာထုတ်ကြဘောဓိပက္ခိယတရား39ပါးအာထုတ်ခြင်းဟာတယိတံမြမစရိယံအရဏီယံအတ္တစိရထိတိကံသာသနာကြာကြာတည်ဖို့ဖြစ်လိမ့်မယ်ဣမေခောတိဘေကွေဓမ္မာဒါနိဂုအောက်ဆက်ပါဒါကောဘဂဝါဘိက္ခုအမန္တေတိဖတ်ဟန္တဒာနိဘေကဝေအာမန္တယာမိဝောဝယဓမ္မသင်္ခါရအပမဒေနသံပါဒေတာဆောင်းထဝောရဲ့နောက်မှာတချောင်းလေးထောင်းနေတာတွေ့တယ်စင်းငယ်ဆိုင်းလေးလုပ်ပြီးတော့ဖတ်ဝောဝယကွာမလုပ်နဲ့နော်တချို့ဘုန်းကြီးတွေမသားမအဲ့ဒါဟောတယ်ဟောဝရသူကသူနဲ့နေပြီးတော့သံဗန္ဒနော်မဟုတ်ဘူးလားဘောနဲ့ဝရနဲ့သံဗန္ဒမဟုတ်ဘူးသမဏဆိုတာဆက်ရမယ်ပုံမဟုတ်ဘူးဘာလို့ဖြတ်ရဝဝတိတမြေဇနာဗုဒ္ဓ10ပါးမှာလေမြေဇနာဗုဒ္ဓ10ပါးမှာသံဗန္ဒဝဝတိတဆိုတာရှိတယ်ဒါဝဝတိတအဲ့ဒါဟန္တာအနေပြန်ဖတ်ဟန္တာဒါနိဘေကဝေအမန္တယာမိဝောဝယဓမ္မသင်္ခါရအပမဒေနသံပါရိတာဒါပဲဟန္တာအပြာယမစရောကြီးကဒါကလန်းကြီးတဲ့အတန်မဲတဲ့သူရဲ့မောဂလနေသရလားအဘိဓမ္နေသရလားမသိဘူးအဲ့မှာငါတွေ့ဟန္တာဆိုဘာမှအနဲ့မရှိတဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ဟင်းဒါမျိုးလုပ်တယ်ဟန္တာဆိုဟင်းညီးဟန္တာဟင်းပြင်မလိုက်တာဒါနိယခုအာမန္တယာမိဝေါသင်တို့ကငါပြောမယ်သင်္ခါရ thing gara tayado di wayadama piyasi jin thabo shi ja le ko yi apamadi na apamara taya ne thamparita pisong se ja gon lo Withali ka thak khwa ga ni maနေတာနော်နှစ်ချက်တည်းပဲတစ်ချက်ကဘောဓိမခိယတရား39ပါးကိုအရှက်မပြတ်လေ့ကျင့်ကြဒါသာသနာကြာကြာတည်ဖို့ဖြစ်လိမ့်နောက်တစ်ချက်ကတော့သင်္ခါရမှန်ရင်ပျက်စီးတဲ့ဘောရှိတယ်အဲ့ဒါကိုတတိနဲ့စောင့်ကြည့်ကြNa siranda dagada da pranivana bhawaitati Nyasa vyaya pranivasa nyega majakinဖြစ်တော့ဘလောက်ပဲလို့တော့အဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်ဒါတွေပြောနေတာဟာတဘိုးရလပြည့်နေဣတော်ဒိဏမသနာနော်တဘိုးရလပြည့်ရောက်ပြီဝေသာလီမှာပဲရှိသေးတယ်မဟုတ်လားဒါလေးမမေ့နဲ့ဒုရလာပြီးတော့တေးရဝေသာတွေကထွက်ရင်ဘယ်သွားမလဲအဲ့ဒါဆက်ပါဣဒဒိဏမသနာဣစေနတတကတောပရိနိဗ္ဗာယတတိဣဒမောဇဘဂဝါဣဒံဝတ္တဝနာသုကတောအထာပရံဣဒတဝောဇသတ္ထာမြတ်စွာဘုရားဒီစကားပြောတယ်ပါဠိသုံးပုဒ်အလုံးတညီတဲ့ဖောက်ပရိပေကောဝယောမေရှံပရိတမမဇီဝိတံမဟာယာဝကမိတမိကတမေသရဏမတနာအပမတ္တသတိမန္တသုသီလဟောထဘေကဝောသုသမာဟိတတေကပါသစေတမနုရကတယောယမသမေတဗဝိနေအပမတ္တဝိဟတတိမဟာယာဇာတိတန္တရံဒုက္ခတန္တံကရိတတိမေရှံငါဤဝယောအရွယ်တော်သည်ပြိပက်ကောရင့်ကျက်လာပြီမမငါရဲ့ဇီဝိတံအသက်ရှင်နေခွင့်သည်ငါဒီလိုပြောအသက်ရှင်နေခွင့်ကပြိတံနေသွားပြီအသက်ရှင်နေခွင့်လေးကနေသွားပြီဘောသင်တို့ကိုပါရဆွန့်ထားခဲ့ပြီးတော့ကမိတ္တမိငါသွားတော့မယ်လောစရာကောင်းတယ်နော်ဝေသာလီတစ်မျိုးတော့ရမဏီယဝတ္တဘောရမဏီယဝတ္တဘောပြောတော့လဲဝေရမဏီယပဲပြောတယ်နတ်ကွင်းကြီး6ခုလဲရမဏီယပြောတယ်ပြောပြီးတော့မှဒီမှာဒါလာပြောတယ်ဒီကဘာယာဝကမိတ္တမိမင်းတို့ကိုငါထားခဲ့ပြီးတော့သွားတော့မယ်မေငါသည်အတ္တနောမိမိသရဏံကိုဘွေယာကိုကတံပြုတ်ပြီးပြီဒါကြတော့အာရှိဖို့ကောင်းနော်မေငါသည်အတ္တနောမိမိသရဏံကိုဘွေယာကိုကတံပြုတ်ပြီးပြီကတံကိုကြည့်ပြီးတော့မေကိုငါသည်အနှစ်ပြရငါကြိုက်မကြိုက်ရင်လည်းပဲမေငါဤသရဏံမေကိုတရဏမှာစပူဇက်စားလို့လုံးစမင်းငါဤတရဏကိုကိုရာကိုကတံပြုပြီးဘသူပြုတာအဲ့ဒါကတ္တပုတ်လို့မယာငါသည်ထက်အဲ့တော့မေကတရဏစတ်ထားရင်ကတံအတွက်ကကတ္တလို့တော့မယာထက်အပမတ္တဟောထမေခောယံတို့တုံမေသင်တို့တွေဟောထကိုကြည့်ပြီးတော့တုံမေထက်ဟောထမှာထဆိုတဲ့ဟလားတုံမယောဂဘဟုဝိပအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်အပမတ္တဟောထတတိမန္တောဟောထသုသီလာဟောထသုသမာဟိတသင်္ကပ္ပကောင်းသောစိတ်ကြံစီရှိကြတဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်တို့သည်သစိတ်နဲ့မိမိတို့ရဲ့စိတ်ကိုအနုရခတစောင့်စည်းကြစိတ်ကိုကောင်းကောင်းကြီးစောင့်ကြရောခြင်းသူသည်မသဗ္ဗေဓမ္မဝိနည်းဤဓမ္မဝိနည်းသာသနာတော်၌အပမတ္တောတတိတရားလက်ခိုက်ထား၍ဝိဟတတိနေသည်ဖြင့်သောထက်သောတုပုဂ္ဂိုလ်သည်ဇာတိတန္တာရံ Zadi Sara Biadi Marana Dobi Silians or Lelevi Niado Nandarajigu Bahaya, a take a meat. Bahaya Cholo Dokada, Doka Andan Songo, Credit, Pula Dan Low Ida Dawasa Tata Bibi Daria Banawano Gonjelu Condora Kebali the Mopa Bari Beka, Waya Meshan, Bretam, Mazivitan. Bahaya Hogamedami Kadame Dharana Madana Abamada the Dimanda Dudina Hota Bekawa Sudamaida Degavada Seda Manura Gada Yaimada Mirama Wine Abamada Viadadi Bahaya Jadi Tandaran Daka Tandan Garetadi Everybody English Lopalapi Bila Oba Namay Aya Beneji Pia Yaduma 10 times in Rajgiri 6 times in Vitsali. Hola. I am now quite ripe in age. 250. Page 250. I am now quite ripe. Lower Yichenivi in age away. Only a little of my life remains. Not the Haneneli with channel. A little. I shall have to depart. Not require forsaken solo you. They never solo be the forsaken solo be. I shall have to depart. Not require I have made myself my own refuge. My own refuge, I have made nga look kai Sameta Bibi, not Akuya, Malo Bibi. And I eat it as a guy. And I will tell the lady, Manetaka, Yadaga, Ayam, Ayada, Kuako Uni. Yana baby, and I go 3 baby that yet. Yeah, but not go away and allow baby. They don't have to look people. No? Some made them they don't. Bhikkhu, vigilantly, the demon, with mindfulness, vigilantly, mindfulness never seen vigilantly, sense and changing, with the mindfulness, the demon sense and changing. Be of a pure bunch. They let pure sense and picture. Being composed or collect of the mind. Seko Suzu Zizi, ting, look ya. Thinking the right, Mama Kanga Twija. Watch over your own mind. Meno ya Kuba say they go Saucha. Bhikkhu. In this edition, Dalia, no, in this edition, in this doctrine, Dhamma ne Vidya, the Diloli Luta, Dalia Matawaka. Eat the other bit so much, Payatha the Dhamma. Yamalura Hadilu, Miran Diaho. Dacia Nizagan Yudia. In this teaching, in this doctrine, is so much discipline, is Sigan Ubrimiana. In that, is so much, is Sigan Ubrimiana. He who is heedfully vigilant, that Dina Sancho Nina Boguha will be able to escape. Escape are Tobira Lumia Lame from the round of repeated rebirth and death television. Repeated rebirth and death. Tadele Muijin Dijin so that Tandara Sekani Biro will be Babit. Escape. Lumia Lame. Make an end. Make an end of a suffering temple. Ah, Dukkha. Dukkha didn't eat it. Many Bali eat it. No, Aneshamia will have there. You should make an end of the human suffering. Meno was here, Dukkha, so Balijaro. End of the third portion for recitation. Don't you use a bank in Babiba? Daddy Banawaro Nitido. Call Libya. Can be all of children. Alone, she ran. Repeated period Sari. I will show me a little longer. There are Manala Damana, Berma. Happy be ship. And a very thing, no. Take good name. Remember, say John. Digani Piara say John May Nia Sura Mamu. Any never know we need to say good at Popula. Whoever body young men again and Diluni Mabo. Not Tanimo, a leg of Paipa. Dinia Mole. How we make Gamma Pip. Now I say John May out of the need. Say John that is here, Chabadili Barina Yamala. Yao. What is the meaning of the Brahmanas? Yala made it. Yaga to the more go never go, Gimana Venezuela. No, Malado. Can I let you dinner? Ganadomo Pabiro, Gana Baby. With Alian, if we are 12 of them, Pagana Dobo. They are than the Miana, Nigo Chobani, don't love it. This guy, the Puro, the Burilla Bibe, with Aliani, they are trouble, Vedom, Eragia. Digani, Messi, the Mina, and the Dajile, with Aliani, Toy, Kudina, Tere, Minso Channel, Jare, you are go Pobia. shop door. So that with Ali Yobiama. Lavadi Piandore, Yazu Piandore, Biro, with Ali Pianda. Kudaga with Ali got trapeze, direct with the Nagamo. Don't not Charlie. Jab Bay Valley winning the lesser animal. They are the Nene Moro. That means Mabrida Liva Hobara, sheep, no? That is it. So die whether the Poppy Biro. Pawaga de Kudera and Dore Kayi. Era the Kudra Loziaga. Shiana Nabiawu, Yika and a can't lead the country. Drop off. Did you go Yika the Yanasa? But the mind one, yelling out the horror and the middle of job. Nanyala job. Abba Mada, we are the Dabaya Zadi Dandara, Doka Nandan, Karabata. I see you tomorrow.